Day 10. Magic dust everyone. No duty is more urgent than the returning of thanks. Ancient spiritual teaching says that we give to another person with a full heart return of the hundredfold. So being grateful and saying thank you to the another person for anything you receive from them is not only urgent, it is vital to improving your life. Gratitude is a powerful energy, and so whomever you direct gratitude's energy towards, there where is it goes. If you think of the gratitude's energy looking like sparkling magic dust, then when you express gratitude to another person in return for something you have received for them, you are literally sprinkling them with the magic dust. The powerful positive energy of magic dust reaches and affects whomsoever you sprinkle on it. Most of us make contact with many people every day, whether on the phone, through emails, face to face, at work, in stores, restaurant, elevator, buses, etc. You can give because of the receiving something from them, you deserve to give them gratitude. Think about the people you encounter on a typical day who provide you some kind of service, like those who are working in stores, restaurants, buses, or cab. The people who work in services are giving themselves to serve you, and you are receiving their services. Think about the maintenance workers who keep our transport system working safely, and those who maintain the service of utilities such as electricity, gas, water, and our roads. Think about the cleaners of the world who clean our street, public bathroom, train, offices, restaurant. You can't personally say thank you to all of them, but you can sprinkle them the magic dust by saying thank you next time you pass one of them. And you can be grateful next time you sit at the clean desk or walk on a clean sidewalk across a polished floor. When you are at a cafe or restaurant, sprinkle dust magic by saying thank you to each person that serves you, whether cleaning the table, giving you the menu, or receiving an order. If you are in a store or a supermarket checkout, sprinkle magic dust and say thank you to the person who serves you at the packs of your groceries. If you are traveling by plane, sprinkle magic dust by saying thank you to the check-in people, the people in security, the person who checks your ticket on the boat. During the flight, say thank you to the cabin crew. The airline thanks you by flying with them. The captain thanks you and the crew thanks you. So do the same. Thank them as they leave the plane. Every time you take off and land at your destination, say thank you, because the fact that you can fly is an absolute miracle. Be grateful to those people who assist you in your work, whether they are clerical staff, receptionists, canteen staff, cleaners, etc. Magic does them with all thank you. All of them are doing a great service and they deserve your continued gratitude in return. Store assistants, waiter, waitress work very hard to serve you. They have chosen a job to serve other people, and serving the public means encountering all kinds of people in varying moods, including those who are ungrateful. Next time you are being served by a person, remember that the person who is serving you is a precious daughter or a son to a parent, an irreplaceable brother or a sister or to a sibling. At times, you may encounter a person in service who behaves rudely towards you and doesn't give you attention you think you deserve. It may be more challenging to be more grateful in these situations, but your gratitude cannot depend on someone else's behavior. Choose to be grateful no matter what. Choose magic in your life no matter what. It might help you to remember that you don't know what difficulty someone might be going through at the time you connect with him or her. They may be feeling unwell, they may be feeling just lost a loved one, their marriage might just have ended, or they must be in description at the tipping point of your life. Your gratitude and kindness may be the most magical thing that happens to them every day. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. If you thank someone on the phone or for his or her help, don't throw away your thank you. Instead, give the reason why are you grateful for. For example, thank you for your help. Thank you for going out of your way to help me. Thank you for giving me so much of your time. Thank you for resolving the situation for me. I am very grateful to you. You will be amazed at a response from the other person when you do this one simple thing because they feel your sincerity. When you say thank you to someone in person, look at his or her face. They will not feel the gratitude or receive your magic dust unless you look directly at them. You have wasted an opportunity to help the person and change their own life if you say thank you to the air. So say thank you towards looking them or while on the cell phones because you are not really sincerely when you do that. A couple of years ago, I was in a store buying a gift for my sister. The store assistant who served me listened to me and was looking for and then went to search for the perfect gift as I thought it was for her sister. As the store assistant handed me the bag containing perfect, beautifully wrapped gift, I received a call from my cell phone. I was finishing the call when I reached the front entrance of the store and suddenly was unsettled feeling swept over me. I immediately returned to the store assistant who had helped me, and I not only thanked her, but I told her the reason why I was grateful to her and how much I appreciated everything she did for me. I showered her with gratitude, magic dust, her eyes filled with tears, and the biggest smile you have ever seen swept across her face. Every action always have an equal reaction. If you really mean it, when you what say thank you, the other person will feel it, and you will only have the another person feel it good about the gratitude. That is incredible happiness. That day I walked out of the store incredibly happy. I don't use magic dust only for the people who serve. I use magic dust for all kinds of situations. When I say goodbye to my daughter because she drives her home, I feel gratitude to her having arrived home safely. And I wave my fingers in the air and imagine sprinkling dust over her and her car. Sometimes I sprinkle dust on my computer before I begin a new project, or sprinkle dust magic ahead of me before I walk in a store to look for something in particular that I need. Today, take gratitude's magic dust with you for the people who work in service and look every opportunity you can sprinkle magic dust to everyone by saying thank you. Thank at least 10 people who perform different services you benefit from. Today doesn't matter if you get an opportunity to do it in person, you can initially mentally acknowledge the people who ever has served you from. The magic dust will still reach them. As an example, mentally say to yourself, I am really grateful to the cleaners who work through the early hours of the morning making sure that the streets are clean of trash every day. I have never really thought about how grateful I am to the service, which is done like clockwork every day. Thank you. Make sure you keep count on the people in service you are grateful for, so that you know when you have to thank 10 people for their service and sprinkle magic dust on them. If you imagine the sparkling magic dust falling over people when you thank them, you have a picture of what really happens in the invisible with the power of gratitude. If you are at home today, then sit down and with a pen and journal on the computer, whatever suits you. Go back in your mind recalling instances where people in service went out of their way to help you. It may have been someone on the phone, or it may have been in the tradesperson who was determined to resolve a problem for you. Maybe you have received a great service from your mail person, the trash collector, or a recycle company, or a local store. Make a written list of 10 instances where people in service helped you and sent magic dust by saying thank you to you every time. Thank you. Have a great day.